Hello everyone and welcome to our SpinetiX booth at ISE in Barcelona. This year at the show we are presenting a brand new solution which is a game changer in video wall setup and management. Our innovation makes indeed video walls easy and accessible to anyone. Our solution features our brand new iBX440 media player, which comes with a compact design equipped with 4 HDMI outputs, enabling high resolution 4x4K video walls at 60 FPS, perfectly synchronized. Our iBX player comes with the latest generation of the Intel Core processor and comes with our DSOS, Digital Signage Operating System, inside. Our player works together with our CMS, award-winning CMS, SpinetiX Aria, for effortless video wall setup and management. We have indeed developed an intuitive wizard to guide users all along the steps of the design and setup of their video wall application, offering a unique and seamless user experience. We have indeed predefined screen configuration where you can select the number of display, the screen resolution, the display orientation, can even customize the screen diagonal as well as the horizontal and vertical bezels. It's that easy. So it's a must innovation to discover on our booth in all 5E500 or directly on our website at SpinetiX.com.